Hey there. Today we'll be talking about work-life balance, what it is, and how to practice it in everyday life to reduce daily stress and to feel more joy. Simply put, it's a healthy work environment. A positive work-life balance reduces daily stress and minimizes burnout and increases enjoyment at work. However, it is important to remember that work-life balance looks a bit different for everyone. So how do we achieve it? Here's a few initiatives provided by HHHunt to help create work-life balance. Our full-time team members get 10 holidays off, including Thanksgiving, Christmas, Labor Day, and 4th of July. We offer our full-time team members with 1 year of service, 2 weeks of vacation, and a paid day off for their birthday. If you are full-time, you'll be eligible for sick pay as well. At HHHunt, we promise to be an engaged community partner. Whether it's donating or volunteering, showing up inevitably creates a sense of accomplishment and confidence in ourselves. We encourage and reward for charitable work. Because we know it is important to make time to play, we offer our team members a ton of perks, not only to help financially with discounts, but also in finding entertainment near where they live. You will have access to our company intranet with links to all of these extras. Another way of balancing work-life is to feel competent in your career. Our HHHunt University program is full of amazing opportunities, and we offer education reimbursement. You can find out more about that by checking out our education benefit video. If wellness is how you find your balance, we have a wellness team in place to support your endeavors. You will be encouraged to participate in wellness challenges, whether it's physical, emotional, or financial wellness. HHHunt is committed to supporting all team members and their well-being. For more information, check out hhhuntcareers.com, because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters.